Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra has been on top of the Android market since it was launched earlier this year. No surprise, as OnePlus pushed its boundaries to an extreme extent, unveiling OnePlus 9 Pro to strike out powerful smartphones like they have been doing before. But is it worthy enough to beat the mighty S21 Ultra? Well, OnePlus claims its 9 Pro can feature everything that said the S21 Ultra can, or in some cases, the OnePlus 9 Pro might perform even better. So, can OnePlus unseat Samsung from the Android phone throne? Let's find out by comparing both the phone specs. Starting with the design, S21 Ultra looks outstanding and gives a premium vibe with its matte finish. Whereas OnePlus 9 Pro seems to have a simple design with their body and camera bump as well. The Galaxy S21 Ultra places its camera bump on the corner, making it more unique and giving it a better look. So if you prefer looks and design more, S21 Ultra ought to be your choice. Both the smartphones came up with an LTPO AMOLED display having 120Hz of refresh rate. Their LTPO technology allows them to have a variable refresh rate so that the phones can reduce power consumption while viewing static images or text. You can stream videos or movies at QHD resolution simultaneously with both the phone, but Samsung offers more brightness compared to OnePlus. You might feel it more whenever using the phone under direct sunlight. Samsung's peak figure of 1500 nits literally outshines the OnePlus's 1300 nits. Moreover, Samsung's AMOLED display is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus, hence, OnePlus 9 Pro has got only Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Victus is almost 2 times durable than the Gorilla Glass 5 and can endure more impact without damaging the display. It seems OnePlus is less worried about its display protection, so better be careful with the OnePlus 9 Pro and don't let it slip out of your hands. When compared to fingerprint scanners, S21 Ultra uses ultrasonic fingerprint display sensors which are quite fast, and combining with 3D sonic sensor technology, its fingerprint sensor has more accuracy and faster scans. Though you will find OnePlus 9 Pro scanning quickly with its optical fingerprint sensor, the S21 Ultra has a more secured and quicker scanning rate. Having a flagship device becomes more exciting due to its excellent camera features. This time, OnePlus has co-developed with Hasselblad, leaving no stone unturned in upgrading its camera, and its OnePlus 9 Pro defines it all. It comes with a quad camera setup at the back, same as the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Taking pictures with two phones seems almost identical, and you can shoot 8K videos up to 30 FPS. Though the two of them sit at the same level for their back camera quality, Samsung steps forward when compared to front cameras. With the OnePlus 9 Pro, you can shoot selfie videos of 1080p resolution at 30 FPS, and in most cases, the selfie images and videos seem overexposed. On the other hand, S21 Ultra allows you to take 4K selfie videos at up to 60 FPS, which is very impressive. So if you are the kind of person who loves to take selfies, more will certainly be disappointed with the OnePlus 9 Pro. Featuring the powerful Snapdragon 888 means your phone consists of the most powerful Android chipset available in the market, and both the two phones, S21 Ultra and OnePlus 9 Pro, feature Snapdragon 888. But Samsung backs their chipset with 12 or 16GB LPDDR5 RAM. However, OnePlus only offers 8 or 12GB of the same RAM variant. So the S21 Ultra edges slightly higher than the 9 Pro. At the same price that you need to buy an 8GB variant of OnePlus 9 Pro, you can get an S21 Ultra with 12GB of RAM. The fact that totally differentiates the two phones is Samsung's Galaxy S21 Ultra is S Pen compatible, whereas OnePlus never came with any pen support. The premium stylus pen of Samsung can do a lot of things more conveniently and more preferably by the persons who love to do quick doodles or take notes too often. Buying OnePlus 9 Pro won't be giving you that advantage. Moreover, Galaxy S21 Ultra supports ultra-wideband technology, so you will be able to attach your phone with various wireless accessories such as Samsung Smart Tag and many more. Talking about battery life, OnePlus 9 Pro has let down the hopes even more, offering only 4500 mAh of battery capacity to run such a powerful device. Nowadays, even mid-budget smartphones are offering more battery capacity. You will get at least 15% more battery life with the S21 Ultra, as it comes with a 5000 mAh battery. Though OnePlus has backed up their less battery capacity, providing a 65-watt high-speed warp charger along with the box, you might not find the power source everywhere, and a bit more battery life can be life-saving. So we expected a bigger battery from the OnePlus 9 Pro. OnePlus has launched its OnePlus 9 Pro with a much higher starting price than its previous predecessors, and with all these features, it seems a great deal. But is this price range worthy enough to buy over Galaxy S21 Ultra? Though Samsung had launched its phone with a bit more price, its price has reduced a lot and climbed down to as same as the OnePlus 9 Pro, which makes it an equal competitor. What we have seen so far clearly indicates the Galaxy S21 Ultra packs a lot more features overall than the OnePlus 9 Pro. It consists of a better design module along with a better display, higher front camera resolution, and even more battery life, yet having the S Pen compatibility. So undoubtedly, Galaxy S21 Ultra shall be the go-to option if you want to have a premium flagship with all the necessary features. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.